Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to use PBR material in Revit. First, let's download a material. I want to download it from MP&CJ. Let's make it a paving stone. Let's choose this one. After that, download anything that you want. I wanted 2K, this one. And I already downloaded it and unzip the file. Then go to Revit. Let's make a floor architectural. Let's make any floor that you want, like this one. Then press finish. Go to 3D. After that, let's make it 1:1 and let's make it realistic. And here is our material. Let's select our floor, then go to edit type. Let's make on structure, edit. After that, go to materials. Here in by categories, click on this one, this square. Then let's make a new material, create a new material. Then right click, let's name it whatever you want. Then go to replace this assist. Choose document assist. Let's make it asphalt. Let's make it asphalt. Then close it. Here in image, let's create in the name. Then go to your materials and choose your materials. This one is the color. Then press open. And the roughness, the same. Click on it. Go to your folder on materials and choose roughness. Then press open. And here in the color, let's make it the normal map. Also materials, let's choose this one. Then press open. And the last one, let's choose it. The same materials, let's choose this one, MP&CJ. Then press open. Then go to the first one. Then go to sample size. Let's make it 3. Then press done. And here on this one, click on it. Click on the image. Then drag here down and make it normal map. After that, go to the depth amount. Let's make it like 3. Then press done. After that, press on apply, then OK, then OK, apply, then OK. And here is our materials. Let's open Enscape, then press on start. It will look like this.